here's my completed 2025 Tesla Model Y with the DIY matte PPF wrap from Drive Protected, and all of that went pretty good, but I did screw up this back piece. This was one of the most difficult parts. From afar, it looks okay, but if you look right around here, there's two pieces here, and you're supposed to meet them together, and that's pretty difficult, and I missed. I have this kind of seam right here. You can see the gloss, and you can see some kind of screw up right there. Not a big deal, but it does bother me. I have a solution. Just cover it up. So I got this spoiler, and you'll see the Tesla Model Y performance spoiler and a lot of the other spoilers do cover this lip, but it only comes to right about here. However, the Model YL, which is only in China right now, it's a little bit longer of a Model Y, comes with a spoiler that comes all the way to the edge that would essentially cover that seam up. Finally, Yeslak, however you say it, finally came out with a carbon fiber matte spoiler that goes all the way to the edge. We're gonna install that, and I think that'll stop me from looking at it, the one imperfection. There's lots of imperfections on here, but the one big imperfection that I had when I did the DIY kit, so we'll put it on. The kit arrived with the spoiler here and extra 3M tape, I'm assuming. No instructions, just I don't know, I think you just use this. This is backup, and some adhesion promoter. So I already wiped this down, cleaned it as best as I could, and then I'll use that adhesion promoter. And I guess we just take the tape off and put it on. I don't really know if I should start from one end or what, but I guess we're gonna try that. Do one end and then just peel these as I go to make sure it's lined up right. Okay, sorry, you couldn't see that, right? So the two lines, there's nothing in the middle there. Should be good. Okay, I put these pieces of tape here so I could line it up as best I could with the edge, the front edge here. You got no instruction tutorial video. I know everybody's like, oh, just stick it on, who cares? I care. Looking pretty good, actually. Maybe if I just lightly set it down. You know, I thought maybe the pieces of masking tape there were a little excessive, but they actually really helped. Okay, that's coming to the edge, and I just want to pull it down a little bit to cover my problem area. It's kind of matching the natural spoiler of the Model Y, so I'm trying to line that up as best as possible. So again, green tape helps out. Okay, so I think we're a little too far that way, so I just need to bump it just a little bit right there. I'm checking these edges, making sure they don't go past that trunk line. Push. Okay. Peels off pretty easy. Okay, this is where I want to get real accurate with it. I won't push down too hard yet, because I want to get this one out. Okay, so I think that's as best as I can get it. Fortunately, you know, if I screw up, I got the backup tape, so just pull it off and redo it, but I don't know if it's gonna pull off the PPF. So what, do I just do this, 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 hold that real hard, and then should I tape this for a while? Let it sit, or is it good to go? I don't know. Just kind of moving down and putting some weight on it, holding it for about 30 seconds in each little section, and hopefully that's good enough. But maybe I should put some tape on it and let it sit for a while. Okay. That's it. What do you think?